Sumaya from France.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, Sheikh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa barakatuh.
I just want to share an issue with you. My friend, my father passed away a few months ago, and she really cannot over the loss of his father, her father. So I repeatedly told her, like, you should do istighfar and make dua for him, like you can pay sadaqah on his behalf so his soul will benefit from it. But still she cannot overcome this pain. So could you please suggest me something so I can share with her and she will be normal, okay, in a few days or sooner maybe. Jazakallah khairan.
Wa jazak. No one on earth is going to live beyond his time. Our Prophet ﷺ, who's the best man who ever walked the earth, died. And he told us, whoever is struck by a calamity, such as your friend, he should remember his calamity in losing me, and that would ease his calamity. When I remember that my father died, I feel sad. But when I remember that the Prophet is dead, ﷺ, and I did not get the chance to see him, or to shake his hand, or to embrace him, I'm even more sad. So my father's loss is a little bit less. Secondly, whether you are sad or not, this has nothing to do with the fact that your father is gone. So if you keep on depressing yourself and behaving in such a fashion, you will lose the reward from Allah. And nothing is going to change. Your father is not going to come back to life. While if you're content with what Allah has decreed and say, Inna lillah wa inna ilayhi raji'un. We all belong to Allah and to Him we shall return. And you are content with Allah's decree and patient, then you are highly rewarded, and still your father is not going to come back to life. So you have to give her some time, because subhanallah, those who cannot get over a calamity and they are depressed and they bang their heads on the wall and they tear their clothes, nothing's going to change. They're just sinful. And a couple of months down the line, everything is going to be forgotten and they're going to go back to their own life and routine. Umar from Germany.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, Sheikh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa barakatuh.
Sheikh, my question today is, we are now approaching the last 10 nights of Ramadan, inshallah. And there are people who read, like every year, a list of odd nights without knowing even if the month is 29 or 30 days long. When we follow now this list or rely on their list, would it be possible to miss Laylatul Qadr? Because Laylatul Qadr can be also on the even nights if you realize at the end of the month that Ramadan had 30 days. Jazakallahu khairan.
Wa jazak. This is quite true. The Laylatul Qadr can be most likely in odd nights. The night of the 21st, which starts tonight, the night of the 23rd, 25th, 27th, and the 29th. And it can be in even days or nights. So it can also be the 22nd, the 24th, the 26th, and the 28th. One would say, but this is not 10 nights. This is 9 nights. The answer would be, yes, because when we say the 10 nights, this is called taghlib. This is a form of giving a number to what is usually the case, but it can be 9. As in the case, for example, when we say the fasting, the 10 first days of the Hijjah, we know that the 10th day is Eid. It's prohibited to fast. So why do we say doing good deeds in the 10 days of the Hijjah? We mean 9, because the 10th is exempted from fasting and the likes. So yes, this is a huge mistake that people do when they neglect the even days, thinking that night of decree or Laylatul Qadr cannot be in it, and they're wrong.